Hey, it's Sarah here. How you doing? Hopefully you are doing well. In today's video, I want to talk about how to overcome the fear of doing videos. Videos are a very good way to build trust with your audience, especially if you are looking to promote any sort of products online. I'd say especially if you're promoting something that is, related to making money online, anything that is high ticket, videos are a very good way to build trust with your audience. And, people who do videos on a regular basis, they are, experiencing really great results from doing videos. Maybe not, right away in the beginning, but in the long run, videos are known to really help with, building credibility. And, a lot of people, they really, most people that come online nowadays, they prefer watching videos over actually reading text. So, creating blog posts is one thing you could do. To build trust, you could put value out there. You could share information by writing out blog posts. But videos, in my opinion, are much better. And for one thing, it's very good with building trust, but it also pushes you to really get out of your comfort zone and do something that it may be scary in the beginning, but as long as you are willing to go a bit above and beyond what the average person is doing, that will really help with building credibility with your audience. So I want to talk specifically about how to overcome fear when it comes to doing videos, and this is something that a lot of people are scared to do when they're just getting online. They see a lot of very big names in the online marketing industry doing videos, and they're like, well, I want to be able to build trust with my audience, but I'm not sure if I'm comfortable on camera. I don't know if I'm more of an introvert. I'm not much of the type of person to put myself out there. What's someone gonna think of me? Is someone gonna watch this video and write a hateful comment and tell me whatever? That's a lot of things that people tend to fear when they're just getting started. And this was myself as well. When I first thought of doing videos, I was kind of like, I was kind of going back and forth on it for quite a while. And I heard a lot of people saying, well, if you do videos, it will really help with actually building trust. I apologize if it's kind of loud out here, but there's kids over there. But anyways, videos are really known to build trust, and it was something that I was on the fence of for quite a while, actually. So what I ended up doing, I'd say what happened was I'd say a few months back, a little over 6 months ago actually, I decided to try doing a Facebook live stream. Now Facebook Lives, they are allows you to go live, in front of an audience, and I decided to try that for the first time, after seeing a whole bunch of other people doing it. And initially, when I first started doing it, I was very nervous. I was in front of the camera, and I was like waiting. Let's see, should I go live now? Wait, I got to think of what I got to say, and I was really putting it off for a very long time. So I did that for a while, and then I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it, and I just hit the button, to go live. And as soon as I started, I just started speaking. I just went naturally. Now, you don't necessarily have to do live videos, but what I actually recommend is you start out with just doing regular videos. You don't actually share them online. You don't just you just record regular videos like on your phone you could do. And you don't necessarily have to, put them up on YouTube or on Facebook. You could just, try out a few videos yourself, and of course, the first time you do it, you're going to feel very weird doing it. You're going to have, you're going to be stuttering a lot. You're going to be forgetting a lot of things. And, in my case, oftentimes I would watch a video back and be like, oh, I should have mentioned that thing. And, but ultimately, it really comes down to, the more you do it, the more you will actually get better with it. So that's something that I decided that I was going to really do on a consistent basis. Was I was going to keep doing videos. And a lot of my early videos were kind of I would often stumble across my words. I still kind of do that today, but not as much as I used to. And oftentimes I would forget certain things, and I would often whole bunch of things. But what I decided was I was going to keep doing it on a consistent basis, and over the 6 months or more than that even that I've been doing these videos, I've progressively gotten better. I've become a lot more confident, and Also, in a lot of my earlier videos, I was, inside. I was kind of in a darker environment, and I decided, well, maybe I should actually go outside for a change. So I started doing that one day, and that was also something that I feared in the beginning. So a lot of people, they fear doing videos outside, and that's just something that it's something where you really just have to try it once, and then after doing it multiple times, you will eventually get better at it. It is something that is very it's very unnatural to do videos. You're speaking in front of a camera rather than to another person. um, but as long as you are willing to do it over and over again, you're willing to put yourself out there, you're willing to get out of your comfort zone, then you will progressively get better as you go along. So that's my number one tip for doing videos. And also, something else I would recommend is that pick a topic that you are passionate about, something that you feel you know a lot about, or you could listen to an audio or something, or you could watch another video and you could learn about a particular topic. You can become passionate about it, and then before you do your video, you could write down some notes. You could have some notes in front of you that has like certain bullet points of things you want to mention in the video. And that's something that I did a lot in my early videos. I don't really do it anymore, but when I was first getting started, I would have like like a few bullet points of things that I wanted to go over. Like if it was like 3 tips on how to whatever, I would have those listed out, and then I would kind of occasionally glance away from the screen, and I would read those tips, and then I would just kind of go over it kind of in my own words. And it's just something where you have to be willing to try it yourself. And as long as you're willing to do that and you just do it on a consistent basis, you will naturally get better over time as you continue going along. So that's really the message I want to put out there. Hopefully this really helps with getting you to do videos. I know most people, when they are first getting started, it's something that they fear. They're scared of what others might think of them. And it's just something where it's pretty much, it's all in your head. I mean, yes, you will have people from time to time leaving hate comments on your videos, especially if you're on YouTube. That's normal. I mean, there's always going to be people, hiding behind fake accounts, leaving, bad comments. But, ultimately, you just got to do it for those that are actually looking for the information that you're providing. If you are providing information that is, of value, and people are actually looking for that information, it doesn't matter how nervous you are, because as long as you're willing to actually put that out there and you're willing to, actually provide that information, you will naturally, build up that audience that is, that, will be a fan of yours. You will build up that tribe of people that, they like what it is that you're putting out there. And as long as you're doing that on a consistent basis, they will be much more comfortable in actually buying whatever it is that you recommend over the average person that is just hiding behind their computer screen. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what you thought in the comments section down below. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit. And if you'd like to learn how you could start building a sustainable business online, there will be a link in the description below that'll show you a webinar. And that webinar will pretty much show you how to build any sort of business online, whether it's through affiliate marketing, network marketing, e-commerce, whatever it is you're looking to do online. This webinar will pretty much show you how to market whatever product it is you have, and be able to really build a sustainable business around it. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and take care.